I on time like.
So when you're adding someone into your Facebook group, right? You always want to be very clear on who it is that you're adding. This is the reason why setting up your membership questions inside of your group is so important, okay? Because these questions are going to qualify individuals before they join your actual group. So if you have these wrote out in a way to where you can gather their email, you get their permission to market to them, and you find out whatever it is that they're struggling with to where you can provide them a solution, now you can understand who is more qualified to be in your group. Now, I know you're probably wondering, well, Lambo, where do we find these people to add into our Facebook group? So I'm going to give this tip to you right now. If you are in the manifestation law of attraction niche, right? All you have to do is search a law of attraction group, okay? Join any one of these law of attraction groups, all right? So all you have to do, make a few posts inside of that group. Same strategy that I tell you earlier on how to get leads. You're actually going to take these same individuals and send them a group invite if your group is something that is made like this. That way, you can actually put people from one group into another group and market to them the same way that people market to you in this group, okay? It's basically modeling what already works. This is proven to work, okay? If you see this is the admin of this group, this is how the person's copy is. Like I said before, if you know anything, if you've studied anything about copy hacking, you could actually copy this and hack it and make everything fit what your group and your niche and everything is, and actually model what is successful. Okay, this stuff works. Look how many members is in this group that he's added. All right, so if he is promoting a product, he has more chances of making sales because he is growing his group constantly. All right, 176,000 people. How much money do you think that this individual makes promoting affiliate products inside of a group with 176,000 members, right? If he's doing it organically without any paid ads, he's probably making a good amount of money in this section, okay? Then he has guides where they actually teach you. So it's already valuable, a very valuable group, all right? Very valuable group. This is the way you want to structure your groups whenever you're building them on Facebook. So when you start getting these qualified individuals, they can come and they can view your content, and your content can market to them so you can get sales. So once again, if you're in the law of attraction niche, just join one of these groups, make posts to people who engage with your post, engage with them, send them an invite to your group if you would like to have a group like this, and do the same thing that you see this group do. Post affirmations, get these people involved, and always stay engaged within your group. And that's basically who you're going to add into the group. All the people who engage with your content from whatever group that is targeted. Okay, you want to make sure that it is a targeted group for people within your niche, whether it's law of attraction, make money online, affiliate marketing, network marketing, anything of the sort. Just go in, build some rapport inside of that group, invite people to the group, let them join, then market to them from there.